You're here with Dr. Full Stack. What we're gonna do right now is, for the first time, we're going to check out OpenClaw. Now, if you haven't been living under a rock, you know that OpenClaw is one of the best AI assistants on the market right now. And guess what? It is open source. Now, there was an acquisition between OpenAI and OpenClaw. Nonetheless, the software is still ascertainable on GitHub. Check it out. What does OpenClaw do? It runs on your machine, any machine that you have, whether it's a virtual machine, a computer, Windows, Mac, it doesn't matter at all. How do you install it? Well, this simple command here. Go ahead and run this curl command, and I'll do it with you. Let's open up and we're gonna paste this right in here. Now, I do have this installed already, but I wanted to set up with you guys as if it's the first time, just so that you're fully aware as to what to do when you get started. Notice that they're going for the scarlet-like color for their terminal, unlike Anthropic, which is orange. And I believe ChatGPT is possibly green for Codex, but I can't remember off the top of my head. Leave a comment under the video if you remember what color ChatGPT Codex is. So here I'm just waiting for this to install. Now it's taking a little bit of time here. As you see, it's 2 out of 3 installing OpenClaw, but just give it a little bit of time there and it should be done subsequently. So here we're running the curl command. The next thing that looks like we have to do is this onboarding wizard. So OpenClaw space onboard space -- install - daemon. Next step there is check the gateway. So here, we're going to actually check whether OpenClaw is connected to the server that's going to allow it to speak with the different models. So OpenClaw space gateway space status, and we can check on what is the status of that gateway, if it's down. There's also a doctor command that you can run, but we'll get into that maybe in a later video. As of right now, it's just the simple setup. So as of right now, OpenClaw has now finished installing. And it's asking me, would I like to update the gateway service config to the recommended defaults now? Here I'll say yes. Excellent. So now it's asking me whether I'd like to restart the gateway service now, and I'll say yes. Okay, so the gateway is restarting, and here we go. So now let's go ahead and create a new session. I'm wondering if I can actually, well, whatever. We'll just continue from here. So I may say something like, hey, and let's cue that up. Hey, Michael, what are we building / fixing tonight? So here I'll say, so here it says, I'm Dr. Full Stack, your AI assistant, part doctor, part dev, all business. I'm here to help you figure things out, build stuff, and keep things moving. Okay. What capabilities do you have, and how do we stay organized with our projects? So here it's breaking down all of the different things that I can do. Here it says what I can do. 1, plan, execute work, break ideas into tasks,